going to explore the concepts of speed and velocity. Let's dive right in. Speed is the measure of how quickly an object moves or how fast a process occurs. It is determined by the rate of change of distance with respect to time. To calculate speed, you divide the distance traveled by the time taken. The SI unit for speed is meters per second, but you can also use units like miles per hour or kilometers per hour. It's important to note that speed is a scalar quantity, meaning it only has magnitude and doesn't consider the direction of motion. Follow me. Oh, okay, I guess we're following him now. And there he comes. Okay. Now let's set up a scenario. This right here is Alex. Let's imagine that Alex decides to go for a run in a nearby park. So he starts from point A and goes to point B, following this path. Alex starts at the park entrance and runs for 2 kilometers in 20 minutes. Now to calculate Alex's speed, we needed to divide the distance traveled by the time taken. So Alex ran 2 kilometers in 20 minutes. So the speed is calculated as 2 kilometers divided by 20 minutes, which equals 0.1 kilometers per minute. Nice. Okay, bye-bye, Alex. Now, getting back to the concepts, velocity is a vector quantity that includes both speed and direction. It describes the speed and the specific direction an object is moving. Velocity is calculated by dividing the displacement, which is the change in position, by the time taken. The SI unit for velocity is also meters per second. Unlike speed, velocity can be positive or negative. A positive velocity indicates motion in one direction, while a negative velocity indicates motion in the opposite direction. When an object has a constant velocity, it means it maintains a constant speed and direction. This implies that it is moving at the same speed in a consistent direction. Oh, it's Alex again? What's he do? Oh, okay, and he just ruined my slide. What does he want? No, oh, he's getting closer. Find my okay. So he kindly asked us to find his velocity. So to calculate Alex's velocity, we need to consider the displacement, which is the change in position and the time taken. So in our scenario, Alex ran 2 kilometers in 20 minutes. And from our previous calculations and information when we were calculating speed, we could just take that. So 2 kilometers per 20 minutes. However, we're not looking for speed. We are looking for velocity. So let's just whoop and whoop. Nice. So now for the major distinction, direction in our scenario. Now we said that Alex ran 2 kilometers, but if we remind ourselves of the path that was shown, it would be pretty fair to assume that it was east, the direction of east that he was moving in. So, in our scenario, Alex ran 2 kilometers east from the park entrance. So Alex's velocity is 2 kilometers east divided by 20 minutes. In summary, Alex's speed is 0.1 kilometers per minute, indicating how fast Alex was running. On the other hand, Alex's velocity is 2 kilometers per 20 minutes east, reflecting both the speed and the direction of the run. Now, to summarize the key differences, speed measures how fast an object is moving. Velocity includes both speed and direction. Speed is scalar, velocity is a vector. Speed is the rate of change of distance, while velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Additionally, velocity can be positive or negative, and constant velocity implies constant speed and direction.